Hello, this tutorial will help you configure your phone to authenticate on a Windows workstation using the QRentry application. Note that QRentry can be used as an authentication method or to allow primary password reset. In this tutorial, we will focus on QRentry as an authentication method. Before enrolling your target user, you must allow mobile authentication on your workstation. Open the EAM console. In the Account and Access Right Management window, go to the Access Point Security profile, link to your workstation, and allow mobile authentication in the Security Services tab. If the mobile authentication has not been authorized, you must add it in the Token Manager. For more information on the Token Manager, I recommend to watch the video on Token Manager structure. Apply and do the same for the user security profile associated to your users. The user security profile can be configured to add layers of security to your mobile device when used to authenticate on a workstation. The security window configuration helps you manage the level of security for mobile device and how data will be collected. The Authentication Manager window allows you to control security policies linked to the mobile device. You can decide the protection level, when can a user authenticate using his mobile, and the length of the mobile device secret code. Once you have allowed this authentication method, update your workstation. Now you can enroll your phone in Authentication Manager. Open the Windows session of the user you wish to enroll the mobile device. On the bottom right of your desktop, right-click on the Authentication Manager icon and select Mobile Device Enrollment. With the QRentry application downloaded on your phone, scan the 2 QR codes that appear in the wizard and type down the confirmation code. The Mobile Device Manager shows your new added phone. Every phone enrolled in Authentication Manager possesses its own ID, as shown in Key ID. Now let's try to authenticate using our mobile device. Select the phone icon and add in your login information. I'll use my phone to scan the QR code, write down the one-time password, and I'm logged into my session. You can see the list of users with their mobile device enrolled in the solution by going to the mobile device window. As you can see, my Moto Tuto mobile is well enrolled in the solution. If you have the appropriate rights, you can disable or remove an enrolled phone from Authentication Manager. You can also see this information in the directory menu under the user profile. As you can see, when I click on Tom Cage's profile, I can see my new enrolled phone.